Perplexity has officially crossed $500 million in annual recurring revenue. But that's not the shocker. The shocker is the mathematics. They scaled from $100 million to $500 million, increasing their headcount by only 34%. Most companies hire a small army to grow their revenue by $400 million. Yes, we are aware of that, and you probably know who I'm talking about in the Indian context. Perplexity just did it with a skeleton crew. In the old world of tech, 5 times revenue required 3 times the staff. Perplexity did it at 1.3 times. We aren't, of course, just looking at a successful startup, mind you. We are looking at the most leveraged business model in human history. Why is this happening? Because at Perplexity, the AI model is the workforce. Just think about that. A traditional media giant needs a researcher to find facts, an editor to polish the text, and a distribution team to ship it. Perplexity replaces all three at the cost of a single interface call. Google needed 30,000 people to turn search into a powerhouse. Perplexity is pacing for $650 million by year end with roughly just, and here's the number, 100 employees. That's a revenue per employee ratio that makes SaaS look like a manual labor industry. SaaS scaled better than services. AI scales better than everything. We've established that. And the market is pricing this efficiency at a premium. While Perplexity sits at a $20 billion valuation, its rivals are playing in a very different atmosphere. Let me explain that. OpenAI at $852 billion and annualized revenue at $25 billion. Anthropic is valued at $380 billion and annualized revenue is at $30 billion. And now, Perplexity's valuation, $20 billion yearly revenues, and the valuation is the revenue is $500 million. Yes, it's comparatively lesser than the opponents. But the game here is, while OpenAI and Anthropic are fighting a model war, Perplexity is winning the utility war. Their revenue isn't just coming from, well, $20 a month subscriptions. It's shifting towards enterprise Max and search APIs where developers pay for the intelligence, not just the chat. What happened then? Let me explain. You asked a question, you got a link. Now, you give a command and the AI executes. Just in February, they launched Perplexity Computer. This, I feel, is no longer just a search bar. It's an agent that shops, books flights, and runs multi-step research workflows. The revenue ceiling on search is capped by how many ads you can show. The revenue ceiling on task completion is capped by how much of your life you want to automate. So one is, of course, a distraction. The other is a utility you'd pay almost anything for. And if you're ready for it, here is the front page take. Arvind Srinivas started this 3 years ago with 4 people and a simple prompt. What would you like to search for? Today, the answer is everything. And the team required to deliver it is actually shrinking relative to the output. That ratio, output divided by the human hours, is the entire story of the AI era. The math, I believe, ladies and gentlemen, has been rewritten. But that brings me to a question. Are you watching it happen, or are you using the tools to do the same? Please do let us know in the comments below. And of course, keep all of your positive comments coming in, all of your insights coming in, because they truly are a great fillip to all of the effort that we put in at Front Page. So I thank you on behalf of the entire Front Page team. Until your next comment, like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.